For a unique, adventure-filled family holiday, Magic Robin Hood is a medieval-themed resort packed with activities, entertainment and water fun. Located just outside Benidorm, this all-inclusive resort is perfect for families looking for something different. Accommodation is in themed lodges, offering a fun, immersive experience with modern comforts. The huge water park is a standout, featuring slides, splash areas, and pirate-themed pools. Kids will also love the adventure playground, mini-golf, and interactive entertainment. Dining includes a variety of themed restaurants and buffets, with options for all tastes and dietary needs. With evening shows, medieval tournaments, and plenty of activities, Magic Robin Hood delivers a one-of-a-kind, action-packed holiday experience.